Hello guys, and welcome back to another interesting video. And today we have this Infinix Hot 40i, or you can also call it X6528, and it's got a problem called error, please plug out charger. Error, please plug out charger. This technician has messaged me some time ago, and he decided to try it himself and he failed. So he later brought it back to me for repairs. So I'm so glad that I'm going to be able to share another method in which you can use to solve this error problem. Now take a look at the problem right on the screen. Whenever you plug in a charger, this prompt comes out: error, please plug out charger. Error, please plug out charger, right here. Alright, so I have made a video regarding this issue in one of my videos that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Now this is going to be like a part 2, which means another method in which you can use to solve these error problems. Okay, I want you to pay close attention on how I'm going to be able to repair this device. So I've saved all the troubleshooting, reading the resistors. I've skipped all that. That is already in the video I uploaded first. All right, please go and watch it on how I was reading the resistors and all that. So here is another method which is very, very effective for you. All right, as a technician, you're going to make a lot of money using this method if you know what you are doing. All right, the first thing is to open up this particular sheet, because this is where the power management IC is. Okay, and this chip is Spectrum, or you can call it SPD. We have different type of chips. We have MTK, we have Qualcomm, we have Exynos, we have iSilicon, depending on the model. We have Qualcomm. All right, so but this particular model is carrying a Spectrum IC, power management IC. So the first thing is to pick up, to remove the power IC from the PCB, and look at how I've removed mine. Look at the balls are so equal. If you want to have equal balls as mine, you need to practice a lot. Look at how the balls are even. None of the balls is bigger than the other. Everything is so equal. So this means I don't need to reball this IC, and I don't need to clean up the pads. How you get what I'm saying? This is it takes a lot of practice to get equal balls. All right, now after you have removed the power management IC, we need to examine this BGA. We are making jumper from that BGA to this BGA right here. You're still going to see it properly. Okay, just for a start, look at that. So making jumper from here to here, that's what we're going to do. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and you'll be able to join our online training. You are going to learn a lot of things from our online training as well. All right, it's very, very educative. You're going to learn a lot of stuff in our online training. Also, physical training is also available. Accommodation is available. So what I'm doing right now is to make jumper. This is what we call micro soldering. Okay, micro soldering is it's just practically what I'm doing right now, guys. So this also requires a lot of practice, because we don't need to deform the BGAs. Okay, BGA means ball grid array. All right, this jumper making is a professional jumper. Okay, don't mind me, I'm just kidding. You can also do it as well. So so you can see the jumper I've made right here. I'm using my multimeter to test if there's continuity. And now what I'm going to do is very easy. Okay, I'm just going to place back the power management IC on it without reballing. Why didn't I reball? Because I have equal balls already. The first attempt taking off the power management IC off the PCB, so I don't need to reball. Okay, but if you are doing yours and you are having irregular balls, uneven balls, you must reball. Okay, let me not say you can, you must reball. Okay, so now if you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen. You're going to get access to exclusive contents. Okay, all right, so that is all what we do in our online training. You're going to learn a lot of things. You're going to get boldness. You're going to have access to platform where you'll be able to ask questions, and we are going to be able to answer you, okay, regarding what you have learned in the course and you don't understand it. So we're going to explain to you how it is. All right, you're going to have that privilege. Okay, now you're going to have another privilege of speaking directly to me. All right, we have online core training as well, where all the students across nations gather, and we going to teach ourselves. They'll ask questions and I'm going to respond to them. Then others can also learn from that as well. So that's how basically our online training is being run. Look at the way I have done I have reinstalled the Spectrum PM IC right there. So cleaning is very, very important. As a technician, you need to learn how to clean. Look at that. Look at how clean my job is. Very, very clean. Okay, so I'm done with installing it. Remember, the jumper is sitting right under this power management IC. All right, now let's keep our fingers crossed and see if this is going to work or it's not going to work. Okay guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Okay, now I'm going to put back the PCB into the chassis or the frame so we can see if this is going to work or not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get the charger. Remember, whenever we plug in the charger, the prompt comes out and tells us that error, please unplug charger. So we keep our fingers crossed and let's see if it's gonna work or not. And it's working, ladies and gentlemen. This is a magic, right? It's not a magic, you can also do it. Okay, all right, join our online training if you want to learn more of these tips and tricks on how to go about mobile phone repair. We have from basic level to intermediate level to the advanced course level, which is going to be of benefit to you. Now I'm powering on the phone to see if it's gonna charge as well. Remember, it was on 0%, now it's carrying 1% already. So this is a huge success. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you again in my next video. Peace.